Now, a quick question for today. I normally used to be able to really crack my back. What I would do is you just put my arm on a wall and just go, oh, twist like that, and you could hear all the bits in my back going snap, 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 or going into place. I'm sure it was good for me. However, since doing plank exercises, or a lot more ab exercises, I haven't been able to crack my back. And sometimes I really want to crack my back. I really feel like there's pressure in my spine. I really think, oh, if I just twist it, it'll be good. However, my obliques, these bits at the side here, they're really quite sore from doing the plank stuff. And also side planks as well. They've been going quite good. I just haven't been able to crack my back. Do you know if that is a good thing? Or is that something which naturally happens when you've got a stronger core? Or have you noticed that happen to you? So you've got stronger core or stronger abs or been doing ab work and you can't crack your back? Or has it been the opposite way for you? Tell me what the situation is with that and what you think happens when you actually crack your back. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it getting rid of pressure? Or is it just making your back weaker? For me, I always felt like it was getting rid of pressure and it was making me feel more flexible and better. However, just now, because I can't crack it, I'm just thinking maybe I'm stronger and it's better. I don't know. I really do not know.